What's up YouTube? Ryan with the MXG channel here with a 2024 Beta 300RR. Shooting a video on this right now, but we're not going to talk about that now. Right now I got some breaking news for you. AOMC.MX, our partner here on the channel, my employer, your all's favorite place to get parts and accessories, gear, apparel, everything moto related, including KTM, Husky, Gas, Beta, Sherco, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Can-Am OEM parts just dropped a new website yesterday. Website's been the same for a long time, not anymore. It's all fresh, it's all new, easier to navigate, easier on the eyes, has some function and fit that the other site didn't have. So a lot of you guys have been such huge supporters of this channel by using my affiliate link down in the description to get your parts and apparel and anything you might need. And I see those orders come through, guys, and they do support this channel and my motorcycle endeavors, and that means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. So I hope you'll click down there in the description on that link and just check out the new site. Just scroll around and see if you like it better than the old one. Leave some comments down in the comments section. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. Do you like the new one better, the old one better? We would love to hear your feedback. Appreciate it very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.